Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking to baby-proof your home, you're going to want to start with your cabinets by using these cabinet handle locks from Skyla Home Store. I love these locks because I don't have to worry about my little one getting into the cabinet, getting cleaning supplies, getting things that he shouldn't be touching like knives. So this just gives me such a peace of mind knowing that he can't get into the cabinet, and it's really easy to use, to install. You simply pinch and remove the lever, and you can see here that this just slides in between the handlebars. You can easily just do it with one hand, and your little one won't be able to figure out how to pinch and pull, so they won't be able to take it off. I also appreciate this design because before I had magnetic cabinet locks and they had a sticky material on the back and they're only being held on by that sticky glue, and my son learned how to rip those off, and before I knew it I didn't have a safe home anymore. But I'm so glad that I found these cabinet handle locks where I don't have to worry about sticky glue, I don't have to worry about drilling into my cabinets, which I really did not want to do. I know that eventually my son will grow out of this phase, so when he does, I can just easily remove these cabinet handle locks and I don't have a damaged cabinet door. So if you really want to baby-proof your home and have a peace of mind knowing that nothing's going to happen to your child, you definitely want to try out these cabinet handle locks from Skyla Home Store. That's my point of view.